Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1, HP OfficeJet Pro 9015. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 is designed to be a powerhouse in the office, providing a range of features to enhance productivity. With its all-in-one functionality, this wireless printer allows for customizable shortcuts using smart tasks, streamlining your workflow. Two-sided scanning, copying, and faxing contribute to time savings and efficiency. The convenience extends to remote printing through the HP Smart app, enabling you to print, scan, and copy directly from your phone. The printer also ensures a connected office environment with self-healing Wi-Fi, reducing interruptions, and maintaining control and privacy through best-in-class security features. Number 2. Workforce WF7710. The Workforce WF7710 is a versatile all-in-one printer by Epson that goes beyond basic printing functions. With the ability to print, scan, copy, and fax, it's designed to meet a variety of office needs. The printer utilizes precision core technology, enabling you to create borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size, ensuring high quality and professional-looking outputs. Its 250-sheet paper tray provides ample capacity for your regular printing tasks, and it can also accommodate up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes, making it suitable for different types of printing. The automatic two-sided printing feature enhances efficiency with print speeds of 8.7 pages per minute, ISO, in black and 6 pages per minute, ISO, in color. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 stands out as an environmentally conscious and efficient printing solution. Designed to address the issue of cartridge waste, this printer model offers a sustainable alternative with its innovative cartridge-free printing system. The high-capacity ink tanks eliminate the need for small, expensive ink cartridges, reducing both cost and environmental impact. In addition to its eco-friendly features, the ET2720 boasts a built-in scanner and copier. The high-resolution flatbed scanner, coupled with a color display, enhances the user experience by providing easy document copying and navigation. The printer's impressive print quality is attributed to its unique micro-piezo heat-free technology, ensuring sharp text and vibrant color photos and graphics on a variety of paper types. Overall, the Epson EcoTank ET2720 offers a blend of sustainability, functionality, and quality in the realm of home and office printing. Number 4. Canon Selphy CP1300. The Canon Selphy CP1300 is an all-in-one compact photo printer that ensures your memories are not only instantly captured but also preserved with exceptional quality. Utilizing dye sublimation technology, this printer produces photos that are not only instantly dry but also boast a longevity of up to 100 years, with added water resistance. Designed for convenience, the Selphy CP1300 supports various paper sizes, including postcard, 4.0 x 6.0, L size, 3.5 x 4.7, card size, 2.1 x 3.4, and square label, 2.1 x 2.1. The paper tray can hold up to 18 sheets with a postcard-size paper cassette, ensuring you can print multiple photos in one go. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 is a versatile and efficient all-in-one wireless color inkjet printer designed for smart home office productivity. With its sleek design and advanced features, it aims to enhance your printing experience. The printer comes equipped with HP 910 setup instant ink-ready cartridges in black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, ensuring you're ready to start printing right out of the box. The inclusion of instant ink technology allows for a seamless and cost-effective ink replenishment process. The printer's wireless capabilities enable easy connectivity, making it suitable for modern home office setups. Additionally, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 is compatible with Alexa, adding a layer of convenience through voice-activated controls. Whether you need to print, scan, or copy, this all-in-one printer is designed to meet the demands of a dynamic work environment.